Okay. Yes, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Fine? All fine? Okay, good. So, you did some questions. Unit conversion we did in the last class. And we did our... okay. So, plus and minus questions we have done. I hope that was clear to you. An error, plus and minus questions. Means error on addition as well as subtraction. That was clear. Huh? Okay, some questions on the resistance also we did. Okay, on the resistances we did some questions. Series we did. Parallel we are not told. Series only I have told. Okay. So now we'll do some more questions. But before that, I'm asking one question. Let's check whether you remember or you don't remember. You forget all the things in the because we are meeting after 48 hours. So suppose if I give you one quantity here, A, that is the if A is given here, and I will give you B, and H 20 plus minus 0.3, and B is suppose I have given you 10 plus minus 0.6. Then what is the A plus B? What will be the A plus B? Sir, dimensional formula not able to remember, any trick? Dimensional formula you don't have to remember. I said you don't have to remember any of the dimensional formula. Dimensional formula we have to learn how to find. And as chapters will be completed, you will be able to remember all the formulas. Whatever the formula involved in complete physics, you will be able to remember. So you don't have to mug up right now any basic dimensions you have to do as of now. Okay, there are the list of 94 quantities, and out of 94 we don't have to do all 94 also. So many times I said just 40-50 are very important, and out of 40-50 I think 40 even I have told, and out of that whatever you can do easily, that one you have to do. Okay, slowly we can get. Okay, so answer of this becomes 30 plus minus 0.9. If I say A minus B, then we can say A minus B becomes how much here? 10 plus minus 0.9. We know errors are always added. Okay, errors are always added. So can we write one question here? Errors are always additive. Errors are always added. Okay, so we'll write one question. So right, I will give one question. The temperature recorded, okay, morning time. We are recording the temperature morning time as well as afternoon. Okay, so right, temperature recorded at morning. Okay, at morning, theta 1 equal to 20 plus minus 0.8 degrees Celsius, and in afternoon, 47 plus minus 0.7 degrees Celsius. Find change in temperature. Find change in temperature. What is the answer here? Yes, change in temperature. What is your answer? Change in temperature. You can say, sir, change in temperature, that is going to be theta 2 minus theta 1. And we can say here, change in temperature is this minus this. So we can say 27 plus minus, errors always added, and we can say errors always added. So it becomes 1.5 degrees Celsius, and that is okay here. Clear? This question? Okay. Can I give you one more question now? Ready? But one more thing you have to remember, which type of error? This error, if I ask, this error 0.8, this is the absolute error or percentage error? Here when I'm writing any quantity like this, A plus minus delta A, this delta A here, this is the absolute error. So here we are doing addition of absolute error. This one we have to remember, okay? We are doing the addition of absolute errors are added. In the plus and minus, which errors are added? In addition and subtraction, which errors are added? Absolute errors are added. Okay, I'm giving one question to you. Let's see, okay? So if I give you one question here, quantity A, suppose they have given here 50 plus minus 2%, and B equal to they have given 30 plus minus, okay? Here I can say 3%, okay? Like this. Now you need to find what is the answer for this one. A plus B I'm asking. What is the A plus B? Yes, tell. What is the A plus B? Answer is A plus B. Tell fast. 80 plus minus 5%. So Haas is saying, but answer is wrong. But just now, 2 minutes, okay? Just now you told that you have to add what? Which error? Absolute error we have to add. We are going to add absolute error all the time. Yes? Not the percentage error. We cannot add percentage error. Okay? So this question you cannot solve till you convert this into format of A plus minus delta A. Plus, okay, first you have to convert in the format of absolute. Then only you will proceed for this question. So now what we can write here in this one, I can say this one we can write 50 plus minus 2% of 50. What will be 2% of 50? You can say 2% of 50. You can calculate this thing in the rough, okay? So we can say 2% of 50, we can write 2 by 100 into 50, 2% of 50. So that becomes how much here? 1. So we can say this is the absolute error. You have to find this thing, okay? And here we can say this one is the 30 plus minus 3% of 30. 3% of 30 we can say 3 by 100 into 30, and you 1010 cancelled. So this is the 9 by 10, 0.9, okay? Once you convert in the absolute format, okay? So we got, okay? Yes, Samita got the answer, Priyanka got the answer, so many people got the answer here. So we can say answer becomes 80 plus minus 1.9, okay? 1.9. Clear this? If I ask subtraction, what will be the, okay, subtraction here? You can say, sir, this result will be 20 plus minus 1.9. 20 plus minus 1.9 is we need to find the, okay, what we have to find? Absolute error we have to find, then only we will proceed for the question, okay? Listen, but question they give in terms of percentage. So answer also they will ask in terms of percentage. They have given in percentage, they are going to ask in the percentage. So what we can do here, listen, you have to convert again this one in the percentage. So how we'll write percentage, you know, this is the A plus minus delta A. Percentage error we can write like this, 1.9 divided by 80 into 100. Okay, so 1010 cancelled, and that is how much? Your 19 by 8. And 19 by 8 will be how much? Roughly you can say, yes, how much? We can say 8 into 2, 16. Then 3 will be there, so we can say roughly 2.4, okay? So we can say this becomes 80 plus minus 2.4%. Is it clear? Huh? Because question they give in the percentage, you have to express also in the percentage over. Can you solve one more question if I give you like this? Huh? Ready? Ready na? Okay, yes, sir. People are saying yes. So let's see. Okay, one more question I will be giving here. So question is here, okay, just for you, make it very fast. R1 I have given here, that is the 20 plus minus 5%. R2 is given here, 10 plus minus 2%. What are the R equivalent? Okay, R equivalent. And this is the series. So everyone knows in the series, we know R1 plus R2 we have to do. What is the answer? Tell fast. What is answer? You cannot take that much time. Make it fast. What will be the answer here? Still not received any answer. How much time you will take? You know, in exam, you will be just getting 30 seconds. People have this misconception. They have 1 minute for one question. 30 plus minus 1.2 given by Sasi and Samita here. So we can say, I can convert this one here. 20 plus minus 5%. Okay. So 5% of 20, we can write here 5 by 100 into 20. That becomes 1 here. And this one we can write here 10 plus minus 2%. So 2%, 2 by 100 into 10. So you can say this will be how much? 0.2. So answer of this becomes 30 plus minus 1.2. Okay. But again, because they have given question in percentage error, so they will ask answer also in the percentage error. So what we have to do? Again, we have to do conversion here. So for the conversion, we can write this one 30 plus minus. You will convert 1.2 divided by 30 into 100. You can do this in rough space. So we can say this will be 12 by 3. That becomes your 4%. I hope this concept is clear. If they have given absolute errors, there is no problem at all. Okay, absolute error, there is no problem at all. But if percentage is given, then percentage must be converted to, it should be converted to first of all absolute, then only we will add. Okay, in addition and subtraction, you have to be careful about this thing. Yes, can we go for next question? Ready? Okay, very good. Okay. And those who are watching in the YouTube also, okay, they also, okay, you have to practice, okay, because I'm just receiving response from these people who are in the Zoom. You also, you must be involved, okay, just don't like that, okay, some movie is going on and then, okay, forgot the things, whatever, because these type of questions only will be coming in your examination. So now we are ready for the next question. And if I ask one thing, that suppose tolerance, if I use the word tolerance, okay, what are the meaning of tolerance? If I say that your tolerance limit is this, tolerance means basically you can say up to this we can, okay, up to this we can bear, more than this, okay, like if I, okay, you are here, okay, and I give you one, okay, and then one more, okay, one more, okay, and one more, okay, and one more, okay, then you can say, sir, now this is the limit because it is going beyond the tolerance. So tolerance means up to this we can handle. So same thing, I will say somewhere that our okay, instruments will be having some, whenever we'll be having the measurement using the, okay, in our experiment, there we can define one tolerance, means up to this we can tolerate. Up to this we can tolerate the error, okay, more than this we cannot tolerate. So if I say anywhere the tolerance is 5%, means what error we can take max to max? If I say tolerance of 5% in this measurement, means up to what error we can take? 5% error we can take maximum, okay, means maximum possible error. If I say tolerance 10% means, if tolerance is 10%, then 10% error. So what is the meaning of tolerance for us? For us, we can say tolerance means error, okay, possible error. So you can write, okay, tolerance. And whenever I say error, error means actually maximum possible error, okay. Whenever I use the word error means it is the maximum possible error, okay. I don't okay, say about the minimum error. I always talk about the maximum possible error, okay. So, right, tolerance means error. Tolerance means error, okay. Tolerance means error. Right, one question. So if I give you tolerance of 10%, it means error is 10%, okay. Find, right, one question, find tolerance in equivalent resistance. Find tolerance in equivalent resistance, of two resistance 10 ohm and 20 ohm, two resistance 10 ohm and 20 ohm, 10 ohm and 20 ohm, each having tolerance of 10%, each having tolerance of 10%. Each having tolerance of 10% means we can say R1H 10 plus minus 10% possible error, and R2 we can say in this one 20 plus minus 10% possible error, okay. Each having tolerance of 10%. Joined in series, joined or connected in series, means connection is basically in series connection. And you know, if series connection, then everyone knows that is the basically your R will be R1 plus R2. You need to find what is the tolerance in, okay? Question finished. Now, yes, now tell the answer. You have to find the tolerance in means tolerance in the resultant means basically error. What is the error in the equivalent? So has given answer here, the 10%. What others are saying? Okay, so answer came 10%. Everyone is saying 10%. Now I will go here. Yes, so now we can see here 10 plus minus 10%. We can write 10 plus minus. We need to first of all convert this one into the absolute terms, okay? With only absolute we can add for the plus and minus. So we can say 10% of 10 is going to be how much? 1 here, because you can write 10 by 100 into 10. And we can say this one will be 20 plus minus 2, okay? So answer you can say that will be the 30 plus minus 3. But we need in the percentage, because they have given the tolerance also in the percentage. So we can write here 30 plus minus. You can find 3 by 30 into 100. And that one we can say as the 10%. Yes, I hope clear. So what are the tolerance? The answer is your, this is the answer here. Can we go for next question? Next. So I hope now you are perfect in the plus and minus. If they are given in the absolute terms, they are given in the percentage terms, we can convert. They are giving answer in the absolute, or they are giving answer in the your percentage, we can do, okay? Now we'll go for multiplication and division. So right, you can put the heading multiplication and division. Multiplication and division, okay? Now, suppose we have one quantity that is the A, it is the A plus minus delta A. One we having B, that is the B plus minus delta B. And you need to multiply X equal to A dot B, you have to do, okay? So if you have to multiply these things, so if you have to multiply A dot B, then what will be the, okay? What is the magnitude of A here? A is basically small a, and then B is basically B. So that quantity we can easily find that the A dot B. Is there any problem in this one? Sir, can we say that error given is same, then result is also same percentage? No, not like this, not always, okay? I will give you a lot of questions, it is not, okay? Clear here? X equal to A dot B, so we can say A dot B, okay? What I'm saying here, that if two quantities are there, this is the A, this is the B, so we can say A dot B, okay? Now, first you need to find the magnitude, we can find, then we need to find the error. So we can say error method is this, delta X by X equal to, we can say here delta A divided by A plus we can write delta B divided by B, okay? Now, listen, how this method came, one time I will explain, but later on you have to always take this thing, okay, that this is correct. When you have X equal to A dot B, if I take log both side, so if I take log both side, then we can say log X will be equal to, here we can write log A plus log B, okay. Now, if you have to find any change, because error means basically some changes are there in your measurement. Whenever we talk about the error means there are some type of changes, plus minus means value can be plus side also as well as minus side also, somewhat higher or somewhat lower. This is the range. So means some changes are there in your measurement. So if you have to find the change, you will do the differentiation. Or what is the differentiation of log X? Log X differentiation, we can say 1 by X, and here we can write dx. Here we can say 1 by A into dA. And here we can say 1 by B into dB, okay? 1 by X into dx plus 1 by A into dA plus 1 by B into dB. If a small change, we write dx, otherwise we can write bigger changes, delta X by X equal to, we can write delta A by A plus delta B by B, okay? So this is the basically proof. This one we'll use to find the, okay? What we will do to find the basically your error, okay? Clear? Can we do like this? Okay. Now, suppose you will say, sir, if power is coming here, suppose in this one we got, okay, first you can finish this, you can write this one, okay, up to this you can write, then I will go for, okay, some more things in this. So if you are saying, suppose sir, power is there, okay, here I said here this is the a power m and b power n, then how you will derive, okay, if suppose power is there, then what we can say, if power is there na, then we can say here when you will take the log, then here m and here n, then here m and here n, so what will happen here, this will be m and this will be n, means power in case of log comes outside. Power comes outside na, power comes outside. Yes, okay. You will say, sir, suppose we are having just this thing, okay, we got one thing, that is the y equal to only x power n is there, means only a power m is there, okay, this b power not there. If this term is not there, then this term will not be there, then this will not be there, then this will not be there. So we can say in that case, what will be the answer? We can say delta y by y will be equal to how much? And delta x by x. I hope this one is clear. If only one term is there, then what we can write, okay, that power will be coming outside. Yes. Same way we can prove also na, that we can write log y. So log y equal to n log x, and then you can differentiate. So 1 by y into dy equal to n into what? 1 by x into dx. We can say this is the same result. Yes, can we prove like this? Okay. If I give you some here, suppose we got like this, okay, y equal to, we got this thing, a power x, b power y divided by c power z. Okay. So same way we will do, basically you can write this thing as this also. Sir, this is the a power x into b power y into c power minus z. Here two terms I have told. You can say, sir, one more term will be there, then we can write one more also. So what will be the answer now? We can say delta y by y equal to, power comes outside, so x delta a by a plus we can write y delta b by b. Then you can say, sir, this power comes outside, okay, so minus z delta c by c. But I have told errors are always added, errors are always added. So here minus I cannot accept, I have to make it positive. So what you will do, if anywhere negative coming, you have to make it positive. Errors are always added. Clear? I hope this example is also clear here. Errors are always added, okay? Errors always added. Clear? Okay? Yes. Now listen. Sir, this week we have screw gauge also, yoga smart tab. In our syllabus, okay, in our syllabus, we have so many things. 32 chapters are there. It does not mean we will do today only, okay. Yes, it is in week, it is there, okay. That is the indicative, okay. What happens in the first few weeks, okay, when you just, okay, sometimes, and this chapter itself is very important chapter, because you know 3-4 questions will be coming. So when 3-4 questions are coming, then that concept I cannot just say that in one line, okay, this is over. You can see in the plus and minus, I can say only one question, that is enough. But how many questions I have told? Almost 5-6 questions. So that if that concept is coming, then we should not leave. Okay. Error we will finish. After error we will do your vernier caliper as well as screw gauge also. Okay. But if it is not there, either we have two options. What are the two options? Either we can extend this time, or we can extend, means we can, okay, keep this syllabus next time. Okay, and this one we can manage according to, okay, your comfort level, we can manage. Okay, got this point? Well, sometimes I am discussing this and he is discussing, sir, that is also in the syllabus, this is also there. A whole syllabus, okay, everything is there. So what I'm saying here, this one, if I say one more, suppose in this one I say y equal to a by b. If y equal to a by b, we can say ab minus 1, and ab minus 1, then again we can write here that delta y by y, we can write how much? Delta a by a minus delta B by B, but we know minus we don't write, so we have to write plus. Clear? So we got here these four, that in the, okay, here in the multiplication, okay, multiplication we have to do like this. In your division also we have to do like this. Power also we have seen here, and if some more powers are given, then also we can do like this. So see this thing. If anywhere any doubt is there, then tell. Now we'll do around 10 question on these things, and 10 questions means then you will be having so much confidence that any question you will be able to do out of these things. If they are asking any question from the error, is plus, minus, power, multiplication, division, everything we can do. Anyone having problem in this thing? So can I take some questions? Ready? Okay. So I'm going to take some questions here. Suppose if I give you L equal to, or I can say, suppose this quantity A equal to, I can say A equal to 20 plus minus 0.4 and B equal to 10 plus minus 0.1. Okay, this one is given to us. They're asking find A dot B. So you know x equal to A dot B. So we can find first of all magnitude. What is the magnitude of this thing? We can say magnitude is 20 into 10 means 20 into 10, that is your 200. Okay, we got this value. Now we need to find the error, and finding the error is the more important part, because magnitude anyone can do, and error we have to learn how to find. So we can say to find the error, we write like this: delta x by x equal to delta A by A plus we can say delta B by B here. So delta x we need to find. X is basically 200 here, and delta A, this is the delta A 0.4 divided by 20 plus we can write here in this one 0.1 divided by 10. Now you will take the LCM here, 20 and 10, 20. So this will be 0.4 plus 2, 0.2 equal to delta x by 200. So now we can say this becomes here, okay, 1010 will be cancelled. This will be the 10 times. So delta x divided by 10 equal to, we can say 0.6. So delta x equal to 6. So answer we can write here. And what will be the answer? 200 plus minus 6. This is the answer. I hope this is clear. 200 plus minus 6. Question clear? Okay. Now we can solve also this way. Okay. We can do, there is no problem. But what happens, I have told to you that we need to work on two things, speed as well as accuracy. Okay? You learn the concept, you will be able to do the questions. But here, what about the speed? Speed is also important. So what I will say here, let's have second method for this. Okay. So first method, if it's clear, then I will go for second method. Is first method clear? Okay. So I will be giving first one question here. Okay. One question I will give you. Let's see whether this is clear or not clear. And then I will ask, okay, sir, how 10? Where 10? This is given 10. Sir, in multi, yes. Okay, where you want to ask delta x? Delta, this one 2, okay, 2, and this becomes how much? 10. This is how cancelled here, okay? This 0, 0 cancelled, 2 and 20, 10. Clear? So delta x by 10 written. Okay? Can I proceed now? Okay. So listen, what I will give you one question here, right? If voltage and current in circuit, voltage and current in circuit are okay, this, okay, these are the values. Find power. Okay, everyone knows power equal to V into I. Okay, power is VI. This one you have to find. Okay, what is the answer? Just tell me fast. What will be the answer here? Tell fast. What is the answer? Tell fast. This much time is not given to you. You will not have that much time. You have to answer very fast. Power V into I, so we can multiply first of all. This is going to be 20 into 5, 100. Then we need to find the error here, okay? Error. Sasi got the answer. Okay. Very good. So Sasi, you were last year? Okay. Someone is showing medico.kvd, but I'm not able to see what you are trying to say. Can you type little bit? I will guess what you are asking. I will guess, okay? Just you can type. So we can say here in this one 100, okay? So delta P divided by P equal to delta V by V plus delta I by I, okay? So delta P we can say here in this one that we need to find divided by 100. Delta V, that is the 0.5 divided by 20 plus we can write here in this one 0.2 divided by 5. Here 20 is the LCM, so we can write here 20, so 0.5 plus 4, so 0.8, okay? Now we can write here, this is the delta P divided by 100. So this 20, this will be 5 this side. So now we can write here delta P divided by 5 equal to, we can say 1.3. So delta P equal to, we can say 6.5. So we can say answer H. What will be the answer here? 100 plus minus 6.5 is answer. Okay. This is the answer here. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, what we can do basically, there is the one alternate method that is much better, okay? How 0.4, where 0.4 is written? Nowhere 0.4 written. Are 0.8, are 0.8 yaar? Fraction, 5, 20, 4 times, and 4 into 0.2 will be 0.8. Listen. 20 and 5 LCM is 20, okay? LCM I have taken. Now I will tell one more method here. You see that here, if I multiply in this one previous question, okay? With respect to previous question I am saying now. So if I multiply here 100, then here 100, and then here 100. So you can say basically this is the percentage change of X. So percentage change of X equal to percentage change in A plus percentage change in B. Percentage change of X equal to percentage change of A plus percentage change of B. Means percentage change I can add directly. Percentage error in X equal to percentage error of A and percentage error of B. Means directly we can find percentage error in the quantity. Percentage error in the quantity will be equal to percentage error of first plus percentage error in second plus percentage error in third, whatever the quantity you are having. Means if this question, if you convert into percentage, then we can, so we'll write here 20 plus minus. How you will convert it into percentage, already method you know. So we'll use rough 0.4 divided by 20 into 100. You can say this becomes here 4 by 2. That is the 2% we can write. And here you can say, sir, this is the 10 plus minus 0.1. So we can say 0.1 divided by 10 into 100. Now we can say this becomes your how much? Yes. You can say, sir, this is the 1% here. Okay. Now, if percentage, because you know that here percentage error we can add directly. Percentage error in quantity X equal to percentage error in A plus percentage error in B. So now we can say we can directly solve this from these two data. Okay, from these two data we can write answer will be, okay, 10 means we have to multiply. So we can say 10 and 20 multiplication is going to be how much? 200. So we can say 200 plus minus 3%. In multiplication, we can directly add percentage error. What we can do? We can directly add percentage error. So this is my answer, 200 plus minus 3%. You can say, sir, answer was this. We can find, so 200 plus minus 3% of 200. So yes, 3 by 100 into 200, you'll 20 cancelled. So what you will get? 6. So this is the same answer. Okay. But only thing that you have to convert into percentage. Means in multiplication, what we can do directly, we can add percentage error. Same thing now I will say in case of Division also, because here we can say percentage error in y equal to, if I multiply here 100 as well as here 100, so percentage error in y equal to percentage error in A plus percentage error in B. So percentage error we can add in case of multiplication as well as division. In case of multiplication and division, we'll use the percentage error method. Clear? Okay. Even here also we can say that if into 100 then into 100, you see percentage error is given, then it will be much better that we can solve question using the percentage error in case of multiplication, division as well as power. Only you will not prefer percentage error method in case of plus and minus. In plus and minus you will use which one? Absolute. Okay, you will use the absolute method. Okay, absolute error method. But here, okay, in this one, multiplication, division as well as powers are involved, we will be going with the percentage error. It will be much better. Okay, like in this question I have done. Okay, I can go in the next question also, this question here. Okay, so you can say, sir, this question I can easily solve if I convert this into percentage. Or how I can write 20 plus minus 0.5 percentage we can find separately. 0.5 divided by 20 into 100, so we can say cancelled. So this will be how much? 5 by 2, that is the 2.5% here. Here we can say this one 5, you can find 0.2 divided by 5 into 100, so we can say this will be how much? 20 by 5, and 20 by 5 is how much? 4. So we can say 5 plus minus 4% here. Now what we can write in this one? Directly we can write the answer that in the multiplication answer will be 25. Is 20 into 5. So 20 into 5 we can write how much? Multiplication will be 100. So 100 plus minus 6.5%. But this answer is in terms of percentage. We can find in terms of absolute. So we can write 100 plus minus 6.5% of 100 will be 6.5 only. So because 6.5 divided by 100 into 100, if you do, you will get only 6.5. So we can go with which method now? You have choices, okay? But first I told you this method, detail method, and then using the percentage method. So which one we can go? Which is better for you? Second method I think much better. And with the practice, second method will be much easier for you. Second method will become much easier for you. With the practice, okay, it will take some time, but okay, with the practice, and we can make later on that if plus minus is there, we will go directly absolute, and if anywhere other multiplication, division as well as powers are there, we'll go with the percentage method. That is much better. Okay. Okay. Now, can I ask one more question in this one? This is written. This one finished. Finished now. Okay, so I'm asking one more question here. Okay, one more I can ask in this one. Yes, ready now? Right, second question. Right, second, find resistance. Find resistance. Find resistance. Find resistance. Find resistance. If you have to find the resistance, then you will go by the your division you have to do, because everyone knows. Okay, in the same question, second part, resistance. Resistance is basically V by I, and V by I. Then which method I will go now? Which method for the resistance? Second method or first method? Second method I will go directly resistance. So you can say resistance V by I. So 20 by 5. 20 by 5 is how much? 4 plus minus, and we can directly add the percentage error. So this will be the 6.5% is the answer. This is the answer. Clear? Okay. If they are asking in terms of absolute, then we can find 4 plus minus 6.5% by 100 into 4. Okay, 6.5% of 4. What will be this value here? How much? 6.5 into 4. You know, 6.5 into 2, 13, 13, 26. 26 means 0.26. This is in terms of percentage. This is in terms of absolute. Can you solve some more questions on this? On multiplication and division? Yes, ready? Are you ready? Okay. So now we will do some more question on the multiplication as well as, okay, this one. So I'm going to add here, okay, add. Suppose I say that length of a plate, okay, length of a plate is suppose 50 plus minus 2, and they have given width is, okay, 10 plus minus 0.2, okay. This is given here. They're asking find area. Area. You know, area is basically L into B. Area L into B. What is the answer? You will go by the second method to give all the answer. You have to convert first of all in the percentage, and percentage error we can directly add. Okay, we can add percentage error directly. Okay, so what is the answer here? Yes, because we can write this one as the 50 plus minus and 2 by 50, 2 by 50 into 100. So that becomes basically your 4% here, and then we can say this becomes 10 plus minus 2. 0.2 divided by 10 into 100. Each time this thing you have to do. So this is the 2%. But after doing this, you got the answer easily, because you can say, sir, this will be the 500 plus minus 6%. 500 plus minus 6%. Okay. And if you want this value also in terms of absolute, then 500 plus minus 6% of 500 will be how much? 30. Yes, clear? Or can we do? So using the percentage method, it will be very, very easier for us, convenient for us to do faster. But here you have to take little bit pain, because this conversion we have to do, okay, effectively. Sometimes I know your calculation, you are calculating very, okay, in the very good manner. So here you have to be a little bit careful, okay. So can I ask one more question now? Ready? One more question. Okay. So add 30, how will come? Listen, 6% of 500. Error is 6%, na? Error is 6%. So 6% of 500, how will calculate? 6 by 100 into 500. 6% of 500. So these 2 0 will cancel. So will be 30. Clear? 6% of 500. We have to write in terms of absolutes. We have done this thing. Okay? Okay. Now I will go for next question, and I'm giving 3 quantities here. Okay. L is given, that is the, okay, here 10 plus minus 0.3. B is given here 20 plus minus 0.5, and they have given H equal to 5 plus minus 0.2. You need to find the volume. Okay. Find volume. Everyone knows volume is LBH. Tell the answer fast. Who will tell answer very soon? So you have L, you have B, you have H. You can do this question very easily if you write in terms of percentage. So till now, not received any single answer. This calculation you need to do a little bit fast. Answer came. Sasi have given 1000 plus minus 9.5%. Sasmita given 1000 plus minus 30%. 2 answers I received, and both answers are different answers. What others are saying? 1000 plus minus 30. 2 people are saying 1000 plus minus 30. but I think 30, this much error. Okay, Tina saying 9.5, Gautam saying 10, 9.5, two people are saying. Tell the correct answer, very simple one. Just now you said yes, we will do. Nayak is saying 9.5. I think 9.5 correct. Now I will do. Listen. What we can say, we have to convert this one into percentage. That will be much easier for us. 0.3 divided by 10 into 100. 1010 cancelled. So we can say this one is 3% here. This one I can write here 20 plus minus 0.5 divided by 20 into 100. So we can say cancelled. This will be how much here? 5 by 2. That is the 2.5%. I said this conversion you have to do very careful. Okay. Here you have to be careful. Then we can say this one is 5 plus minus 0.2 divided by divided by 5 into 100. So now we can say 0.2 means this will be the 20. Here you can say 20 by 5, this will be 4. Okay, so this is the 4%. Now we can say that we have to just multiply. So 10 into 20, 200 into 5, that will be the 1000 plus minus percentage error. We add directly, we add, and when you will add now 3 to 5.5 plus 4, answer will be how much? 9.5%. This is the answer. This is the answer. In terms of absolute, we can say this is the 1000 plus minus 9 point, means we can say, so this will be coming as 95. You can solve also that 9.5%, so 9.5 by 100 into 1000, so 2020 cancelled, so we can say this is the 95. Okay? Yes? Clear? 3 quantities. If I give you 4 quantities, 5 quantities, 6 quantities multiplied, can we do? Any quantity, any number of quantities multiplied, we can do the question. Okay? Good. So I will ask one more question. Okay? One more I can ask. Okay. One more I'm asking here. Okay? Let's see how many people will tell the, and everyone how to tell the correct answer, and don't take more time. Okay? Don't take more time. Just you have to do convert in the percentage. Answer will come easily. Okay? Very simple thing. So it is add now. A equal to 40 plus minus 2. B equal to 10 plus minus 0.4. What are the A dot B? A dot B. Tell fast. A dot B. A dot B. A dot B. Yes. $400 plus minus 9%. Yes. Plus minus 9%. Almost everyone is saying plus minus 9%. Yes. So we can say this one we can convert 40 plus minus. How will convert here? We can say 2 by 40 into 100. We can say 1010 cancelled here. And this will be how much? 2, 4. So this is going to be 5% here. Okay. You can say 2. This will be the 2. Then 5. And here we can say this will be the 10 plus minus. So 0.4 divided by 10 into 100. So 10 cancelled. So this is going to be 4%. So now we can say that A dot B becomes here 400 plus minus 9% is the answer. In terms of absolute, you can say, okay, answer will be 400 plus minus 9% of 400. So we can say that becomes how much? 36. Okay. Option can be in any format. You have to write. Okay. Now I can write here in this pen. This is the over. Okay. This is answer over. If I ask A dot B, what will be the A dot B? You guys say, sir, A dot B, we don't have to do anything. Already question is solved. 4 plus minus, and then errors are added all the time. But in the plus and minus, we add the absolute error. Okay. And if you want in terms of absolute, then we can say 4 plus minus 9% of 4. So 9 by 100 into 4. So now we can say this becomes 0.36. Okay. So plus, minus, multiplication, division. Are you feeling confidence in multiplication and division? Can we do multiplication and division also? But same type of questions will come. Okay. So now I will ask some more questions. Okay. But first I will ask question on the power. Okay. So ready? Right. One question. If after writing this, you will write one question. If percentage error in radius is 1%. Percentage error in radius is 1%. Percentage error in radius is how much? 1%. Okay, in radius it is the 1%. Then find percentage error. In surface area and volume. Find percentage error in surface area and volume. You know what is the surface area of sphere? Surface area of sphere, you know, that is the 4 pi r square. Yes, there will be any error when you are having the calculation. Any error possible in 4 and pi? Any error possible in 4 and pi? You can say no error possible. It means A proportional to r square. And if A proportional to r square, then we can write delta A divided by A. Okay, should be equal to how much? You know, power comes outside 2 delta r by r. But you can say percentage error, I will use into 100 here and here into 100. And you know, this value is given how much? This is the percentage error in the radius. So we can say that is the 1%. So 2 into 1, answer becomes how much? 2%. Clear? Here I can write in this one, sir, volume proportional to r cube. Reason is because 4 pi by 3, there is no error possible in that. So we can say delta V by V into 100 is going to be 3 delta R by R into 100. And in this one, what are the error possible? 1%. So 3 into 1, answer becomes how much? 3% here. Clear? Can we go for next question now? Next question. Okay. Now I will take one more question. I hope this one is clear. So if I say in radius 1%, then area 2%, because power is 2 power involved. And in volume, 3 power is there. Okay. So we can say error will be 3 times of radius. Okay. So if I ask now, okay, you have to tell the answer. In radius 0.2%, in radius 0.2%, then in volume, in radius 0.2%, then volume 0.6%. Okay, 3 times. Okay, because power 3 is there, na? So we can say yes. And if I ask one more question, that in radius 0.3%, radius 0.3, then area 0.6, and volume, what about the volume? Volume, you will say 0.9. Okay, I hope you can remember this thing. Yes. Okay. So you have to remember this thing now. Okay, means if you got radius in radius, if you got percentage error in radius, can you find in volume and area? In volume and area, can we find error directly? Very good. Okay, so one question I'm going to ask, right? Okay, I will tell you today, maybe we can start, or maybe in the next class I will start that least count. Okay, so whenever I give the least count, it means up to this limit any instrument can measure. Up to this means that will be the maximum possible error. So you can write least count means error. Least count means error. Right? Least count means error. Least count means error. Okay. right? Radius of a sphere, radius of a sphere I have given here radius of a sphere, that is the 10 plus minus, okay, or I can say radius of a sphere is 5 plus minus 0.2. Is there any problem? Centimeter. This is the radius of a sphere, 5 plus minus 0.2. Clear? Find surface area and volume. Find surface area and volume. Find surface area and volume, okay? Now listen, what we can do, that if you have to find the surface area and volume, so you can say, sir, for the surface area 4 pi r square, 4 pi 3.14, r square will be 25, and you know 25 into 100 is, 25 into 4 is 100, and 100 into 3.4 will be how much? What is the answer for area? 314. If this is the centimeter, I can say centimeter square. Is there any problem this one? If 4 pi r square I'm using, 4 is this, pi is 3.14, r square will be how much? 25. So 25 into 4, 100, and 100 into 3.14, 314. Now you need to find the error. And for the error, I said you have one, okay, one method in which you have to solve, and one method, one method I give you, you can do direct also. How you can do direct? You can convert into percentage. So we can say how much? Okay, 5 plus minus, we can find the percentage, 0.2 divided by 5 into 100. So we can say this will be 20. So that will be how much? Your 4%. Okay, and if that is the 4%, then directly we can write that answer. Okay, what will be the answer? You can say, so this will be 314 plus minus 8%. Yes. Over here. Otherwise, you can write like this. You can calculate this way also. Delta A by A equal to 2 delta R by R. Okay, because you know A proportional to how much? R square. A proportional to R square. So this way also we can calculate. But directly we can find. Same way, can you calculate the volume now? 4 by 3 pi 3.14 into 5 into 5 into 5. Yes. And how much error? What will be the error in this one? You can say error will be how much? 12%. Or 8%, how will come? I said now in the previous question that if radius is 1, then area was 2, volume will be 3. Okay, power will be coming outside, na? Power will come outside. So you know you can write like this into 100, here into 100. In this one, what is the change here? 4%. So 4 into 2, 8. Okay. Can I give you one more question? One more. Okay, right. Side of a cube. Side of a cube. Okay, this is the cube here. Side of a cube measured using a vernier caliper. I will tell what is the vernier caliper. Vernier caliper of least count 1 mm. Vernier caliper of least count 1 mm. What are the basically 1 mm? 0.1 centimeter. Okay, 0.1 centimeter. Okay. If side of cube measured is 10 centimeter, find volume. Okay, you need to find the volume. So what we can say here in this one, that what are the side, basically side we can say 10 centimeters. So 10 plus minus, okay, least count means error. And how much error is possible here? 1 mm. But this is in centimeters, so error you will write plus minus 1 or plus minus 0.1. You will say here this is the centimeters, so we have to write that also in the centimeters. So this one you will write here 0.1. 1, and then we can say this is centimeter. Clear? Yes. Are Siddharth, what you are doing this? Screen sharing. Yes. I think I need to change then setting. Okay. Don't do, just 5 minutes are left. I'm not changing the setting. Okay. Now, listen. So we can say 10 plus minus 0.1 centimeter. But you can express in the percentage. So you can say 10 plus minus 0.1 by 10 into 100. So we can say how much? 0.1 divided by 10 into 100. So 1010 cancel. So this will be the 1%. And now you have to find the volume. Volume is always equal to A cube. So we can say A cube will be how much? 10 cube. 10 cube is 1000. So answer we can write directly how much? 1000 plus minus. How much error is possible? You know that in okay, we can do like this also. Delta V by V into 100 equal to how much? 3 delta A by A into 100. In this, what are the error possible? Here error is 1%. So here it will be how much? 3%. But if suppose they are asking in terms of absolute, if they are asking in terms of absolute, then what you will do? 3% of 1000, you can say 1000 plus minus 3% will be how much? 30. You can calculate also that 3 by 100 into 1000. So we can say 2020 cancel. This is the 30. Is it clear? This question, if they give least count, least count you will take as the error. About the least count, we'll see, okay, in the 1 year caliper. Least count means for us, there is the error. Is it clear? Can we go for next question now? Okay, so now we'll do one more question here. Let's, okay, do it. Right. If percentage error, in current and resistance, 1% and 0.5% respectively, 1% and 0.5% respectively in current and resistance, 1% and 0.5% respectively, then percentage error in voltage. You can say, sir, voltage equal to IR. Okay, how much voltage equal to IR? So what is the percentage error in this one? You can say, sir, directly we can say delta V by V into 100 equal to, we can say delta I by I into 100 plus how much? Delta R by R into 100. This value is how much? 1. This value is 0.5, and directly we can say how much? 1.5%. I hope this is clear. And directly we can say that in the multiplication percentage error directly added. Okay, so we can say V equal to IR. You don't have to even do this thing. Directly you can add. Okay, just 1 and 0.5. Second question, in power is your I square into R. And if power is I square into R, then we can solve, and you can say, sir, we get delta P by P into 100 equal to, power comes outside, 2 delta I by I into 100 plus we can write here delta R by R into 100. Yes. So now we can say here 2 delta I by I into 100. What will be the delta I by I into 100? Percentage error in I, that is a 1. Plus we can write here 0.5. So answer becomes here 2.5%. That is the answer. Clear? And this question is clear. One more question. One more. 5 more questions will write. 5 more. Okay. Right. One more. A quantity S given by A cube B square divided by C power 1 by 2 into D. Okay. A quantity S given by A cube B square divided by C power 1 by 2 into D. If percentage error, if percentage error in A, comma B, in A, comma B, comma C and D are 0.2%, 0.5%, 1%, and 2% respectively. Okay, in A, comma B, comma C and D are okay 0.2%, 0.5%, 1%, 2%. Listen, this quantity as hypothetically I have given, this quantity is given h a cube b square c power 1 by 2, this is the 1 by 2 written, into d. Four variables, like previous question was having just two quantities. Okay, I have taken here hypothetically four, and in error in A, percentage error in A 0.2, percentage error in B 0.5, in C 1, and in D there is a 2%. Now we can say, we'll write delta S by S equal into 100, equal to, power comes outside, so 3 delta A by A into 100, plus we can write 2 delta B by B into 100, plus we can write here half delta C by C into 100, plus we can write here delta D by D into 100. Now, what we can write here? Percentage error in A. In A, there is the 0.2, so 3 into 0.2 plus 2 into, this is 0.5 plus half, delta C is 1 plus delta D is 2. Okay, just putting all the values. So we can say this becomes 0.6 plus this becomes 1. This is the 0.5 here and this is 2. So now we can say 2, 1, 3 and this will be 4.1%. Yes. Can we do power when multiple parameters are given, multiple variables are given? Can we do this question? Already I know before me you have solved the, okay. A lot of people already solved this one. One more question can we do on this? Can we do one more question? I will give 5 variables. 5 or 6. Yes. Okay, 5 or 6. Okay. Sir, Surya is saying, sir, time up. Time up, you can leave. Enjoy. Okay. Selection is your, choice is your. Right question here. A quantity Q is related H, Q related H, H x square y power 3 by 2 into z power minus 1 divided by okay a power 1 by 2 into okay b. This is given. Okay, right? Percentage error, this is just for practice. Okay, percentage error in x, y, z, or you get percentage error in a comma b comma x comma y comma z. Percentage error in a comma b comma x y z is okay. Percentage error in these quantities are 2%, 1%, 0.5%, 0.8%, and 1.5%. Okay, these are the percentage error given. Okay, so what we can write here, delta Q divided by Q into 100 equal to, we can say 2 delta x by x into 100 plus we can say 3 by 2 into delta y by y into 100 plus we can say delta z by z into 100 plus I can say half delta a by a into 100 and plus we can say delta b by b into 100. You can just put the values here. So we can say 2, x is basically here, that is the okay your 0.5 plus 3 by 2, y is 0.8, z is 1.5 plus half delta a is 2 plus delta BH1. And now we can say here this is 1 plus this will be 0.4 and this will be 1.2 plus 1.5 plus 1 plus 1. 1, 1, 2, 3 and this will be the 4, 5. 5.7% is the answer. Yes, 5.7. I hope I have not done anywhere calculation mistake. Yes, over. Completed. No, things are not over. Okay, things are not over. Okay, so can we go for one more? Okay, one more question. Class is actually 1 hour 30 minutes. But what happens when we are switching from one class to other class? Okay, like I'm coming from one campus to other campus, because of the time is always reduced. So time is reduced, we cannot reduce the content. Okay, so we have to go. Okay, next question. Next we'll do. Okay. So now in this one, we have covered almost okay, lot of question, but still 2 more question we'll do, right? A stone is dropped. A stone. 2 more question, then we'll go for the next topic. Okay, 2, 3 more question, and then I will start new topic. A stone dropped from some height. Stone dropped from some height. Okay, stone dropped from some height. Okay, then you will measure, when you will drop from some height, then you are going to measure your height as well as time. Okay, like this is the best method. This is the best method to find your G. If you have to find anywhere value of G, how you will find the value of G? A small g. Okay, you can go to the second floor, first floor. There, from there you will drop the stone. Okay, and then you will measure your what are the height, and then you will measure your time, and you can use this formula H equal to half gt square, because you know we are dropping, and whenever you are dropping, then initial velocity will be 0. So we can say that H proportional to gt square. So we can say G will be equal to how much? G proportional to H by T square. Using this we can calculate. Okay, but we are not calculating, we are doing the question of percentage. So if stone is dropped, if percentage error in height and time, percentage error in height and time are E1 and E2, find percentage error in G. Find percentage error in G. Okay, percentage error in G. Now, in these type of questions, what you have to do, whatever the quantity you have to find, whatever the quantity you are interested, like H equal to half gt square, first you will find relation of that quantity. Like I am interested in G right now, so G I can say, and then we will write here delta G by G into 100 should be equal to delta H by H into 100. Okay, here negative power will be there, but you know errors are always added. So plus 2 delta T by T into 100. I said in H, percentage error in H is E1 and percentage error in time is E2. So E1 plus 2 E2 is the answer here. Yes, clear this question? Yes. Can we do one more question now? Like this, one more question on this pattern? Okay, right. You know, time period of simple pendulum is T equal to 2 pi root of L by G. Okay. So, right, one question. If percentage error in measurement of length 2%, percentage error in measurement of length 2%, and percentage error in time period and percentage error in time period 1%. Percentage error in time period 1%. Then percentage error in G will be. So we can say G I am interested right now. So we can say here G proportional to L by T square. First of all, I will find that quantity, and then we write delta G by G into 100 should be equal to delta L by L into 100 plus we can say 2. Okay, here T equal to 2 pi root L by G. So I have done the square, so I got this thing. So 2 delta T by T into 100. Okay, errors are always added. So we can say here this one will be how much? 2 plus 2 into 1. So final answer becomes 4%. Okay. Yes, clear? Over. Yes, this is finished. Okay. Right. Next one. Only one question in error is left. Okay. Actually, two questions are left, but one question I will take after instrument. So only one question as of now left. That is the resistances in parallel. Right. Heading resistance in parallel. Heading you can write resistance in parallel. Okay. Parallel resistance. Okay. Everyone knows whenever parallel resistances are given, then 1 by R we write here 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. We write like this, okay, in the parallel, okay. Now, we need to find the error. And you know, when you have to find the error, you need to do the differentiation, okay. We are doing that one. So, if I say what are the one differentiation of 1 by X? Differentiation of 1 by X is what? Differentiation of 1 by X is what? We can say we can differentiate like this x power minus 1 and then we can use minus 1 into x power minus 2 into dx. Then we can write here minus, okay, 1 by x square into dx. Do you write like this? Yes, minus 1 by x square dx. Are not log x. This is not the log x, okay. 1 by x will be x power minus 1. Then an x and minus 1 you will use. So minus 1 x power minus 2 into dx. So minus 1 by x square dx. What about the y? You will write 1 by y. We can say, sir, 1 by y will be minus 1 by y square into dy. So here I can say same. We can write minus 1 by r square into dr. Here we can say equal to minus 1 by r1 square into dr1. And 1 by r2 we can write minus 1 by r2 square into dr2. Okay, 1 by x is the minus 1 by x square. So 1 by r will be minus 1 by r square dr. 1 by r1 will be minus 1 by r1 square dr. And here we can write minus minus cancelled. Dr I can write as the delta r. So delta r by r square equal to, we can say here, delta r1 divided by r1 square plus we can say how much? Delta R2 divided by R2 square. This formula you have to remember whenever you have to find error in the parallel, because error in series, very simple question. Okay, error in parallel takes time. Okay, error in parallel will take time. I hope this one is clear. Yes. Okay. So I will tell one question on this, then it will be over. Okay, so one question we can take. Ready? Okay, one more question. One question I can take here. Suppose R1 is 20 plus minus 0.5 and R2 is 5 plus minus 0.2. These are the value and they have given parallel combination. And if parallel combination is given, so first of all we need to find the equivalent resistance. We can say 1 by R will be equal to 1 by 20 plus 1 by 5. 1 by 20 plus 1 by 5. Before R, this one here, what is the problem? Minus 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 cancelled. This minus this minus this minus cancelled everywhere. Okay. Now, so 20 and 5 you can say, sir, this will be the 20. So 21 plus 4, that becomes 5 by 20. So we can say this will be the how much? 1 by 4. So R equivalent becomes how much? 4 ohm. Okay, we can say these are the ohm. Equivalent resistance. Anyone having any problem in equivalent resistance? In finding equivalent resistance, any problem? Now question is finished, because we will write here delta R by R square equal to delta R by R1 square plus we can say delta R2 divided by R2 square. Okay, it will take some time, so no problem. Delta R square will be 16 equal to delta R 0.5 divided by R1 square. 20 square will be 400 plus delta R2 0.2 and this square 5 square 25. Okay, 20 how came? Are LCM is the 20 na? LCM 1 by 20 plus 1 by 5 you have to add. So 20 will be the LCM. 21 and 5 4. Okay. Now, so we can write here in this one delta R by 16 equal to what will be the LCM here? 425. We can say 400. So 0.5 plus 25 and 400. How many times we can say? 25 and 4 is basically 100. So 16 times. Ami sir, 16 times na? Yes. So 16 into 0.2 will be how much? 3.2. This I cannot, okay, explain. You have to do this thing. So we can say 3.2 and 0.5. So that will be coming as how much? Yes. 3.7 divided by 400. Okay. So now we can say delta R will be equal to 3.7 divided by 400 into 16. 16 and this will be the 25. So 3.7 divided by 25. I hope this is clear. Yes, 3.7 by 25. Yes, for the equivalent resistance R1, R2 by R1 plus R2 also we can use. Yes. So this one we can find 3.7 by 25. Anyone can tell? 3.7 divided by 25. You can do. So I'm writing the answer here. Okay. Answer will be 4 plus minus 3.7 divided by 25. This calculation you can do later on. Okay. Yes. See this. If anywhere any problem, you can ask. Okay. If anywhere any problem is there, you can ask. 0.14. Whatever coming with that, you can calculate. Finished? Yes. Over. Over na? Okay. So now you will be able to do all the questions of your error. Okay. I hope you can do. One question I'm giving homework. Okay. One question I'm giving homework. I hope you will do. And heading you can write. You can write heading vernier calipers. Okay. You can write vernier caliper. That we will do in the next class. Okay. So one question I'm going to give you here. Okay. You can tell me answer now also. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm writing the, okay. You can write mass equal to, given here. That is the, okay. Mass equal to 30 plus minus I can say 0.3 and volume equal to given here. That is the, suppose 20 plus minus 0.5. What is the density? Density you have to find. Density is mass by volume. Okay. Because answer magnitude you can easily tell. Error I need. What is the error? Before leaving this class, if you are able to tell, very good. Otherwise, you can answer. Percentage error you have to find because you can say that will be the 0.3 by 30 into 100 means how much? In that one? Yes. 1%. Na? This one, what we can write here? 1%? 30 plus minus 1%. And here we can say how much? 20 plus minus 0.5 into 100. How much? 2.5%. So 3.5%. Okay. Okay. So this is the homework. Bye. Okay. Other things we'll do later on. Okay. Bye. Bye. Our class is pending. Okay. One class is pending. Actually, one class last week pending. So not this week. Next week we'll manage. Okay. Next week I will take one extra class and then we'll manage. Okay. Yes. Up to this we can do. Okay. You can prepare up to this. Okay. As of now, next time we will manage. Okay. Bye.